Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to earn money while playing games with Tap and Go Rewards app. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. How to get paid to play games, the Tap and Go Rewards app. Play your favorite mobile apps and earn rewards. Complete daily challenges in the game to get more rewards. You can turn your points into prizes. Making money has never been this easy. Play and get paid. Tap and Go Rewards was made because of the huge growth of the gaming market, the needs of game developers, and the desire of gamers to play their favorite games and transfer their rewards. Developers can make money by putting their games on the Tap and Go app, and they can also use the engagement campaign system on Tap and Go to run advertising campaigns. Think of it as the Google AdSense of video games. Gamers like Tap and Go because it gives them access to games, gives them points for playing, and gives them daily challenges to complete. Gamers get bonuses that can be used to buy tap coins. So tap coins are transferable to different games. It's the best way to get paid and earn rewards for playing games. The Tap project has made it easy for developers to add a Unity or Unreal plugin to their games, which gives them the option of making their games fully universal if they want to. This helps them market their games and make money from them. This is a win-win situation because developers can see an increase in discoverability, high retention rates, engagement across platforms, and more money coming in. Players can use the Tap and Go to play games and get daily challenges, bonuses, and awards. It gives rewards as an incentive to play games. Gamers earn tokens that they can use to buy rewards that can be used in all games that use more than one platform. So how does this work? Playing games on the Tap and Go Rewards app is a simple way to earn rewards. 1. Install one of the games on your challenges list. 2. Do what was asked of you in the game. 3. Go back to the Tap and Go Rewards app to get your points. And 4. Turn your points into prizes and gift cards. So this app is linked to the Tap platform, so you can turn your points into Tap coins and use them to buy upgrades in other games. All the games on the Tap and Go Rewards app are free and the most popular ones for mobile. You can play games like Call of Duty Mobile, Fortnite Mobile, Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, Pokemon Go, and so many more. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus are using to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly as well. Click on the link below this video in the description box to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.